reasons you should not be starting a new YouTube channel. So I recently posted a video about reasons why you should start a YouTube channel, but this is why you should not start a YouTube channel. So the first thing is, if you actually want to take this seriously and create a YouTube channel that grows and maybe even gets monetized, you have to post more than one time per month. If you cannot commit to post, I would say at least one time per week, do not start a YouTube channel unless you want to be a hobbyist. Number two, do not start a YouTube channel you plan to grow if you can't take some hater comments, some trolling comments. If you've never gotten a hater comment or a trolling comment, something you're gonna have to work through. And I do have a video where I'll link through on ways that I've dealt with trolling comments. It's a reality. You put yourself out there and you want to grow, and there's going to be people that don't agree with you. And sometimes it's not that they don't agree with you. They're just haters. They're just trolls. They don't like themselves. Why are they going to like you if they don't even like themselves? There are some people I know who have said that they're bullied off of this platform. And so you're just going to have to balance putting out good content and growing quickly with getting some of those hater and trolling comments. If you can't do that, then don't start a YouTube channel. One caveat to that though is you could always turn off comments on your videos, which I don't recommend because comments do create engagement, which can help you grow your channel faster. But if you've got a particularly contentious or provocative or controversial topic, you can turn off your comments or pause comments. The third reason that you shouldn't start a YouTube channel, if you think you're just going to post once and your channel is going to magically grow, or that everything you post is magically going to get thousands or millions of views. That's just not the way that YouTube works. YouTube favors consistency. And so you've got to be posting consistently, actually working on the quality of your topics, of your content, of what you're talking about to attract those subscribers, attract those viewers, and have YouTube share more of your content. And the fourth reason that you shouldn't start a new YouTube channel is if you aren't willing to learn and improve yourself. If you're just going to go with status quo and keep doing the same thing that you're doing, isn't that the definition of insanity? Doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result. So if you're not willing to learn or to grow or to improve your content, improve your strategy, find ways to better yourself on YouTube, don't start a YouTube channel. Now, if you are willing to learn and grow and improve yourself, your content and your strategy, I do have a 90-day boot camp that's starting, and I'd love for you to be one of the participants. We're gonna work on starting, on growing, on monetizing your channel, and just getting the group to support each other as we grow and get monetized, ideally over the next 90 days. So if you want to learn more about that, go to alexanderfigueredo.com/YouTube, and I hope that you trust me as a mentor to help you grow your YouTube channel. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and strategies to grow your YouTube visibility and monetize your channel. And if you liked this video, you'll also like this one as well. For more help growing your visibility and monetizing your brand, go to alexanderfigueredo.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Thank you.